Welcome to the channel, where we bring ideas to life using the power of technology and creativity. I'm Tausif Ahmad Khan, and today, we're diving into an exciting project, creating a visually stunning HR management system using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. AI-generated illustration of an HR dashboard with modern UI elements. Picture this. A sleek, responsive dashboard where admins can manage employees, track attendance, and process payroll, all in one place. This project isn't just about coding, it's about designing solutions that are both functional and beautiful. Step-by-step AI-generated animations of the login page design. Our first step? A secure login page for admins. Watch as we bring it to life, starting with clean HTML structure, adding stylish CSS, and finally, integrating JavaScript for interactivity. Dynamic time-lapse of the AI creating the sidebar and dashboard layout. Next up, the dashboard. Here's where AI helps us visualize a professional and user-friendly interface with sidebar navigation and a main content area. Let's see it come together in real time. Interactive animations of attendance tracking and employee management features. With the foundation set, we'll enhance the dashboard with key features like attendance tracking and employee management. These elements will be visually engaging, thanks to AI-generated transitions and animations. AI-generated deployment visuals for AWS and Azure. Finally, we'll deploy our project to the cloud. Imagine your HR system live on platforms like AWS or Azure, accessible from anywhere, and ready to impress. AI-generated animation of the completed project with a call-to-action overlay. And that's it. A complete HR management system, crafted with the help of AI for visuals and your coding skills for functionality. If you enjoyed this journey, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Drop your thoughts or project ideas in the comments below. I'd love to collaborate and explore more with you. This is Tausif Ahmad Khan, signing off. Keep learning, and let's innovate together.